Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to look at how to convert a Tamiya Mini 4WD into an RC FPV car. In one of my previous videos, I managed to convert this Mini 4WD, which is a track car, into RC radio control, just using the Tamiya steering set, as well as microelectronics, like the micro servo here, and receivers inside, and the speed controller. The steering works perfectly. You can steer left and right, and there's a throttle control as well, forward and backwards. In this video, we're going to convert this into FPV so that we can drive it in first person view. And to do that, we're going to use this all-in-one camera. And this is what I've come up with. It's an FPV backpack for the Mini 4WD RC car. Here's the close-up. I have the camera strapped to the wing using zip ties, and I've attached hot glue to secure it, to keep it in place. So it's very strong. I've also coated epoxy to protect some of the electronics here. So to drive the car in first person view, what we need to do is just to remove this wing and attach the backpack. And now we can race it or drive it in FPV. Oh, wait a minute, there's a pigtail here. And this gets power from the same power source, which is the 1-cell LiPo pack here. And we're going to plug it to the connector here. Yep. And that's done. Yep. Now we have a Mini 4WD car, which is not only radio control, but also supports first person view driving. Alright, let's test it. Now that the Mini RC Evo is equipped with FPV gear, it's time for me to race it in a house in first person view, and this is my FPV setup. I will have my iPhone here doing the recording of the live footage coming from the car over there. And on the receiving side here, I have a quadruple array of 4 patches. The 4 patches are matched using a mini circuits combiner. So this mini circuits combiner is a 4-way one. It takes in 4 antennas and combine them into a single 50 ohms output to the receiver here. And I have the tracker set up. Let me turn it on so that it will track the source. So the source is coming from there, and now it's pointing in the general direction, which is good. Alright, time to sit down and race. Well, that was really fun driving this around the house in first person view. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time.